Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Our today's recipe is Veg Kadai. Veg Kadai is a delicious Indian vegetarian dish comprising of mixture of veggies cooked in a spicy gravy flavored with a special kadai masala. Ingredients needed are boiled potatoes, cauliflower, soya chunks, 4 or 5 chopped onions, 2 tablespoons chopped ginger, 2 tablespoons chopped garlic, 4 or 5 chopped tomatoes, 2 tablespoons coriander leaf. Chop the cauliflower into small florets and shallow fry them using a frying pan. You can add little salt while frying it. Dice the boiled potatoes into small pieces and shallow fry them by adding little salt to it. Special masala mix: 2 tablespoons coriander seeds, 2 tablespoons pepper and 4 or 5 red chili. Roast these special masala mix ingredients and crush them into fine powder. Next, we will shallow fry the soya chunks by adding little salt and chili powder to it. Heat the oil and splatter the cumin seeds. Now add chopped ginger and chopped garlic and saute them for a minute. Now we will add the chopped onions and fry it till it turns into golden brown. You can add some salt to it. Now you can see your onions have become golden brown. Now we can add chopped tomatoes to it. Add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder and mix it well. Add 3 tablespoons Kashmiri chili powder and mix it well. Now we will add 3 tablespoons special masala mix. You can add more if you want it to be more spicy. Add half teaspoon garam masala powder to it and mix it well. Now add salt as per your taste. Now we will close it with the lid and leave it for 2 or 3 minutes. We will add the shallow fried cauliflower florets to it and mix it well. Close it with the lid and leave it for 2 to 3 minutes. Next, we will add the shallow fried boiled potatoes to it and mix it well. We will add the shallow fried soya chunks to it and mix it well. We will cover it with the lid and leave it for 5 minutes so that it gets mixed well. Garnish it with chopped coriander leaves. Here is our special veg kadai. It's so simple and easy to make. You can have it with hot chapatis or hot rice.